Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can copy your Discord profile link on your mobile. Let's get started. Open up your Discord application in your mobile device and then log in to your account. Once you have logged into your account, simply tap on your profile picture right over here. And now simply select the settings like icon. Inside here, scroll below, then simply select advanced right over here and then make sure developer mode is toggled on. Now go back to any of your chat. And then inside here, simply tap on your profile picture, select the three dot, and then simply tap on copy user ID. Now after you've done that, head back to your home screen and then open up your Notes application. Just like that, inside here, first of all, you have to type in discordapp.com/user/ and just like that, simply paste the user ID you just copied and copy the full link. And that's it. That's your Discord profile link. You can share it with any friends, teammates, or anyone you want. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.